What, a 250 quid bike?
What?
What, a 250 quid bike, mate?
Yz 85.
No knocking at all, mate.
Did something just fall out of the cylinder then?
Probably. The whole thing's covered in it.
Mate, my bike looks like that.
Fucking full tank of fuel, mate.
Oh, that is milky.
Oh. What are you saying? It's knocking bad.
Knocking?
Yeah.
How much?
£250.
What do you want to say? 600.
No, it's done though, we're riding it. Isn't that right, boy?
What year is it?
2004? Big reveal, mate. What? Clean, bro.
Jesus, mate.
Bro, there's no
Piston,
damage on that.
Burn, but it's fine.
Mate, that's clean.
Yeah, just look, there's luck, mate.
Mate, that's fucking mint, bro.
Get your torque.
Bro!
Does this start, Cam?
Yeah, it starts.
It starts, but it's
Mate, it's not scored at all.
Bro! Wait, let me feel if I can. That's top end. That's top end.
Yeah.
We've got it down now. See? I mean, it could be bottom. Felt top. I'm surprised.
Did you start it?
Yeah, it's not
Is
bad.
it bad? Give it the crash.
Like,
Easy from my bike.
Scratch my bike.
yeah, alright, man. I'll see you later tonight.
How long are you gonna be?
Me? Fucking, how much are you guys fucking pissing?
Too puff.
Look, he's got Come on, Callum. Oh yeah, piston is out. Oh. The piston's a bit burnt this side.
That's fine, mate. What's that? Yeah, nothing's knocked, bro. It might even just be cranked, to be fair, which is kind of cheap. But... Oh, crank's gone.
Yeah.
Big time.
Jesus. Big end.
That's good, mate.
The crank is
no
gone.
bearings are fucking gone anywhere.
That's
That's the main bit, mate. That's expensive. Oh. If that was ridden like that, knocking anymore, that would have blown. Everything would have blown. I'm a little bit gutted it's not top end, but. Oh, so. Look how loud that is, isn't it? That's saved just in the nick of time.
That's fine, mate. But I'm quite happy it is, even though it's more expensive, but it's a bit more of a job. A bit more fun.
Mate, we're lucky they didn't explode on us. The bottom end bearings.
Yeah.
That's better than I was expecting.
Yeah.
I thought everything to be gone. You would know, man. You would know. It would fucking all come through the intake ports. The next thing now is just pulling the engine out of the bike. That's brand new. You know?
We wouldn't have got this banging deal.
Yeah, I think we've done well.
But it could be from when they drained it.
So we've got the engine out. A few little things wrong with it. Two bolts crack on the clutch basket. No good. Bolt snapped in the casing, and that's the casing that holds the water pump. as it would sit there. So that's why we've got milk, strawberry milk. Try and get that out, place it. No gaskets on any of the casings. Slight crack. Hey, there he is, Maxi boy. Yeah.
Yeah, how's it going?
Going good, mate.
Noticing the cracks.
So one of the bolts on the water pump is snapped and it hasn't been put back together. They've just put a bolt in and fucking like an oversized bolt. So, and it's where the coolant actually goes through. So that's just coolant gone through to the engine casing through there. They're not that bad. Oh, I'm just got
Did you order?
fucking clutch lever.
I was here when you put the offer.
Yeah, but we didn't know the exhaust was going to get accepted. Why do we still have this?
Might need it, mate.
For what? To hold that one wire?
Well, it might hold more shit, I don't know.
Just slap around the face, mate.
Oh.
Fuck! you go. Look at mine, don't complain about your shoes, mate.
Talking feet off of my feet.
Get a fuck. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Ah, I've got a wrench in my hand there, you best run. Yz 85 piston, didn't go down well. See Max's face.
Like new, mate. Use that fine.
I think it should be alright. Oh. New crankshaft. Woo! Oh, fresh!
It's gonna be a gasket.
Yeah, You know, get another look.
Gonna work. That's not a brand new one.
No, it's all second hand. Come on, you
Freshy clutch in there.
freshy second hand clutch.
Budget clutch.
Budget clutch, exactly. Yeah. That's all you need in that.
Is it good? No idea. Full compression. Right.
On the floor.
Wang ding ding ding.
Pop, 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 pop.
I'm not paying.
There's so much up there. the garage, mate. What was it, scumbag lads?
It lasted a whole of an hour.
Should have got a pit bike now. In terms, I'm used to this shit, mate. Shit breaks, you gotta fix it.
Ex-classical.